Yeah, good day, guys. It's your boy Chichi Money. Today's video is gonna be awesome. Now, I'm unleashing a strategy called the Millionaire Scalping Method, TMSM. A step-by-step guide to high probability gold scalping by JJ Money. So with this strategy, guys, I think this is the biggest, this is the biggest and the most effective strategy I will ever come across since I've been back testing and live trading. And something told me I shouldn't share this, but you know, I'm gonna be sharing this. In short, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway of this strategy for free, and I will share how you get it. Just stick around. Now, with this strategy, you're going to learn how to scalp like a millionaire. It's a scalping strategy. It's not a swing. It's a day trading strategy whereby you fix on your laptop, you put a time you want to trade, and boom, you see what one or two, and you're going to make money. Now, without how do you make millions? There have to be a specific plan. I don't know if you guys remember this PDF I sent, how to turn $10 to $1 million. So now this $10, theoretically you have to have like $100 in your balance, but you're just gonna deposit only the $10, and the major risk here is you risk 25% per trade. All right. So 25% per trade, you're gonna make $1 million. But how is that gonna be done? Now, if you want this PDF, is free. It's on our community. Join the Telegram channel, and you see this how to turn $10 to $1 million by GG Money. So we have stages. Stage one, I made a video. Is on this YouTube channel. Stage one, if you're targeting to make sure you reach 25%. Once you get $200 plus, you stop for stage one. You withdraw $100. Start with stage two, $100, still risking 25%, 2K, like that, all the way. Then stage three, 500 to 10K, stage four, 2K to stage four is about $2,000 to about 50K. Then from there, 20K. When you make 50K, and make what we call you draw out of the 50K, you take out 30K, and you're left with 20K, and you take the risk of 20K, still risking the 25%. The major point here is the 25%. That's the secret here, and you make $1 million. Now, this helps you. Of course, they're going to be losing trade. This is not like a 100% winning. Of course, the losing trade will happen, but you will not lose your whole capital. That's just it. And also, there are stages whereby you withdraw. Now, with the millionaire scalping with the millionaire method that I'm going to show you guys, this millionaire scalping method, guys, the TMSM, guys, it's the biggest. Let me show you the only this past week, which is when was this past week was what was it called? From Wednesday, on 21st of May 2025. Let me show you guys what the millionaire scalping method did with my back test. So, full disclosure, I have not made $1 million yet, but I'm on my way to make $1 million. And I want you all to do this together with me. Like, don't be sitting by the fence. This strategy is not a strategy whereby you just see um, people tell you you're gonna make 100% profit. No, I will show you while I'm on this journey. I'm going to start this journey together with you guys live. Even when I lose, you're going to see it, so that you don't have a false narrative that the strategy is 100% winning. So you know how many losing trades you have, how many winning trades you're going to have, how many break-even trades you're going to have. So it's all going to be open. But to get the strategy, I'm going to show you how to get it for free, and also if you don't want to get it for free, how you're going to get it, the paid version. It's still the same strategy though, even the free and the paid, but I'm going to be giving out free copies to the community. How to do that? Simple. Just ensure that before I go that, let me just move further to show you guys the the back test for this week. This is just 3 days trading. On Wednesday, This was all the trade. The first with just $10. Now, without doing the stages of this that I gave you, with this millionaire method, you can make this possible. If the major thing is your psychology, if you have a proper psychology, if we, like, I also gonna be honest, of course, when you get to certain amount, your mindset like, okay, let me withdraw and all of that. But I'm just gonna show you what is possible if you're just hold on. I think I sorry about that. So I'm just gonna be honest, okay? Of course, your psychology is going to play around, but if you follow it like a robot, like you follow it like a robot, of course, don't be under pressure, don't be in debt and all of that. This is your target. Of course, if you don't want to follow it like a robot, we have this plan whereby each stage is you withdraw $100 stage one, um, 1,900 dollars at stage two, then 10,000, $9,000 withdraw at stage three, then you just withdraw $10,000 every on stage three. If you don't want to go to stage four, you just use 2K to make 50K, withdraw 30K. So if you want to be doing those withdrawal parts, you can use this plan. But if you want to be like a robot now, right? Your mindset is you fixed it, you're gonna do that. Of course, I'll be honest, I may not be able to do it like a robot like this, but probably if I turn $10 to about, let's say, 10K. Of course, I might want to take out 9K and start with $1,000. Okay, but still yet you can still achieve the $1,000,000 even if you turn $10 to 10K, meaning $1,000 can still turn to $1,000,000. That's just it. So if $10 can turn to 10K and you withdraw, meaning that same $1,000, if you see it here now, let me just add that $1,000 will still give you $1,000,000. So let's just assume this happened this week. All right, let me just show you guys. This happened this week. This happened this week on I think this was Tuesday trades. We won lose, and we won 10 hour. So I'm gonna show you the strategy. Everything is on the PDF and the video version. You know, this was the winning trade. Day one, we already had 2,500. Okay, you can try to continue with 2K or start with 1K, anyhow you want to do it. But you're definitely going to make money with this. Of course, there'll be a losing days. The market may not be 100%. Disclaimer: market may not give you um, patterns the same way of this back test days, but the days is going to give you the pattern of these days. These are the kind of amount you're going to make. Okay, so if it give you the pattern of these days I back tested, these are the kind of amounts you will make. All right. So, and day two, which was on Wednesday, this was just Tuesday, Wednesday, $10 to $1,000,000. Let me quick show you guys. Let me show you some of the trades on the chart. You can see this. These are some of the trades. These are some of the trades. Of course, I didn't take out 100% of the trades. All right, and these are some of the trades. The strategy is going. You're all gonna learn. This is scalping, guys. This is one of the best scalping method out there that you ever know. And to get this, I'm gonna explain how to get this. See, this is how it works. 10 hour, 6 hour, 4 hour. Okay, we don't do 20. 10 hour is a target, at least 10 hour max. 10 hour, that's 100 pip. 10 hour is 100 pip. Our stop loss is just 10 pip on gold. We only trade gold. We only scalp gold. Okay, so now some of you like, oh, no, no, no. Okay, with this strategy, I took some trade with you this week. Let me show you guys. You can see, let me just show you an example of how this trade was like a snipe entry. You can see how this trade was a snipe. You can see this was like a snipe, and this was 100 people, and this already 78 people when I posted this. I think I posted some trades like that. You can see price went. Yeah, you can see how the trades were snipe entry. You can see how the trades were just sniper entries, right? Sniper entries. Price did a pullback, a break even. You can see how it was a snipe entry, did a little bit pullback and just went about 100 pips. So this is not something theory. This is something I'm tested and I'm trading, but I'm not yet gotten to the goal. So together with us, we're gonna do it together, guys. So now, how are you gonna get this the TMS? First thing first, you can see join the Telegram channel. Now we are 252 subscribers. When we get to, if we get to 500 subscribers, I'm gonna share some copies, and if we for free. And if we get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna share more copies for free. But if you don't want to wait for those parts, you can chat me up straight points. Just chat me up on Telegram. I'm going to tell you the amount is not much. Probably it might be $100 thereabout. So you can just chat me up to get this system. This system is going to wow you, and we're going to make a lot of money together with this. Of course, past performance may not guarantee the future, performance. So would also be observant of that. But when this past performance produces same pattern in the future, because patterns always repeat themselves in the future. If the pattern continues this way, you can backtest this strategy. You can, and there's a step-by-step guide. The system comes with a step-by-step guide that you would not miss. So I know you like if you're making millions, why you want to share it? I if you check my group, I help a lot of people. I share a lot of things. I give things a lot. So I said, okay, since I want to make some money with me, and you guys can join along. People make money with their strategy. They sell them, right? So the same way, I'm selling what I know would give you profit. All right. So if you want to join, make sure you join the Telegram channel and like this video and share this video and subscribe and let me know what you feel about what just uploaded or what you think the Millionaire Scalping Method, the TMSM. So it's you let me just you need a little bit of paid trading view version because of the time frames we're going to be using and some indicators we're going to be adding and some other things that we're going to use. All right, so I'm not going to say much than that. So thank you so much and do have a great day. If you have any question, let me know.